Hi, welcome to Jackie Burns Creations. Today I'm doing a Dollar Tree DIY Valentine heart planter. This is hosted by Heidi Sonnable DIY, and it's her challenge, her Valentine challenge. So hi everybody. I've got these two hearts that I got from Dollar Tree. And what I'm doing is I'm laying down some Jenga blocks so I can measure how far I want to cut down on the one heart. So I'm leaving one hole and then I'm cutting part of one off. So when I get enough on there, then I'm going to make just a little mark. Now I'm measuring down about 5 inches from just about where the hole is. And then I'll zip a line across there. And you can see where I drew the line. Now I'm going to get my razor knife. It's pretty sharp, so it should do the job well. Just got to put the ruler down there for a guideline. And I just go over and score it quite a few times. And they cut really well because they're so thin. See, and I just snap it, and I don't even have to sand it. It just came out really nice. So I got this bundle of fat quarters from Walmart. It's the only product I'm using that's from somewhere else. I picked out this gray and pink plaid to put on the hearts. I'm just going to do kind of a rough cut for it. Yeah, I got my giant bottle of ModPodge. It's getting pretty thick, so I might have to add a little water to it. But I love ModPodging material fabric onto things. It just goes on so nice, and you don't get the wrinkles like you do with the paper. Okay, just gonna line it up so I get it straight. And then I'm just gonna smooth it out with my hands. And if you need to lift it, you can lift it because it won't rip. And you can leave it like that, or you can go over the top of it. I'm just kind of roughly going around the edge because I'm going to go out to the edge and make the edges stiffer so I can cut them off with the razor blade. So I'm just slathering. That's a technical crafty term, slather. I'm slathering on more Mod Podge on the top. You can leave it, like I said, the fabric, just put the coat underneath, but Now I'm just getting the edges a little bit so they'll be stiff and they'll cut off really easy. This is my first craft of the year. I've been kind of lazy. Well, not lazy, but I've been getting other things done, like cleaning that craft room. It was really scary. I'm still not quite done, but it's better than it was. Okay, now I'm putting it on the other part. Just going around it, rough cut. I decided to glue down this edge so it'll be nice clean edge. And it will look pretty. So I let them dry. Did go over them a little bit with the heat gun. And cutting while they're drying. In the meantime, I'm cutting some ribbon. I found a Valentine ribbon from last year. And this pink ribbon I just recently got at Michael's. It was Christmas and it was a clearance, but it works perfectly for spring and Valentine's. Just dovetail the edges. Here's some lace. Came off the burlap and I cut it off the burlap at Christmas because I wanted just a piece of burlap and I didn't have a piece. Okay, dovetailed those edges. Now I want a piece of burlap. I think I made them about 8 inches long. I just pulled out a bunch of kind of neutral looking ribbons, except for the Valentine one and the pink one. Other than that, everything's very neutral looking. I like this chevron ribbon. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Okay, so I'm laying them out, crossing each other. I didn't reach my goal last year of getting to 1,000 by the end of the year, but we'll get there. Biggest reason I want to get to 1,000 is not to monetize, it's to have a community tab. And to be able to go live. Okay, just cutting some floral wire, scrunching them all together and wrapping the floral wire around it. This is one of those crazy messy bows. Okay, there it is all put together. Now what I'm doing is I'm going around with the knife, the razor knife, around the edge and cutting off the edge, and it cuts off very easy because it's very stiff. And a few spots I Just took the scissors and clipped it a little bit. I've decided that my goals for the year will be to get to 1,000, but also to use a lot of things that are already in my stash and to use a lot of things I've already thrifted. Finish those up, do something with them. I've got quite a few things I need to do something with. So keep your eye out for that. Now, I think this came out so cute that it could be used all times of the year, not just for Valentine's Day. Except, I guess, the one ribbon that has the hearts on them. But it'd be cute in a room, a bedroom. It's done in pinks. This pink looks really bright in the video, but it's actually very soft pink. Now I'm taking the Jenga blocks and I'm just gluing them together. Putting a little bit on the side and on the bottom. And then I think I line up 12 of each. I did something similar last Easter where I did it out of an Easter egg. And if I remember, I'll put the link in the box below. That you can paint the Jenga blocks if you want. You could actually paint the whole thing and not even have to use fabric on it. I think on my other one, I think I used paper. I'm lining up the bottom piece. I mean, you could stick a plant in here, but, oh, I'm gluing the bow on. But I just stuck some florals in for right now. Could put some foam in there. I didn't put any foam in. I just, what I did was, on the twine, I take a little ModPodge and coat the end. And in the meantime, it was drying while I was doing something else, and it works out really nice. It's nice and stiff, just like a needle, and you don't have to use tape or anything else. And it goes in there really well. So I'm gluing it on the back. And I left those natural color too. I didn't paint those, because I thought all the natural would match it really well. Guess I could have painted them pink or gray or white. And here it is all finished. I think it came out really cute. Let me know what you think. Hit the thumbs up and tell me if you like it. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Okay. I will see you again real soon. Bye.